Morning guys, welcome to Origin Performance. Today is a very special day for my 2014 high-end Genesis Coupe. I've got a trunk full of parts that have been sitting in my room for the past 3 months, and I'm so amped to finally install them. It's not the most exciting portion of any build, but probably one of the most crucial, and it's going to add such a great look to the car, and I'm beyond excited for it. So stay tuned as we get these installed. And that trunk full of parts would consist of EBC's yellow stuff pads and their GD series of rotors. The EBC yellows are marketed to have a street legal but race capable material build, while the GD series of rotors boast a directional slotting and dimpling that are supposed to, quote, run 100 degrees cooler than non-slotted rotors. Get the f off, let's go! We got work to do, bud.
And looking at how much bullshit we have to go through to put this line on.
And speaking of lines, we went with StopTech stainless steel high performance brake lines. During the shoot, I got consistently roasted for spending money on things that I really didn't need to, but I'm honestly looking forward to the firmer, more consistent pedal feel that a stainless steel line offers. Our first order of business, however, would be to start with the front brakes.
Oh, she's smooth. Now I gotta take out that shit.
Yeah, that's kind of half the job actually. I'm happy I went with this design because it's not holes or dimples, so it shouldn't crack. You know what this kind of looks like?
What?
You know Naruto, the Sharingan?
You and your f***ing anime.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
And while I worked on assembling the front left, Diego worked on disassembling the front right.
These ones together are easy, eh?
Brembos are easier than doing everyday cars.
Yeah.
It's because they're meant for racing if you need to change them quick.
Shit just went from 0 to 100 real quick.
You can.
After finishing up the fronts, we went out to grab some lunch. We were pretty confident we'd be able to get the rears done in half the time or less. However, little did we know we had a nice surprise waiting for us when we got back.
Did I take that sticker off?
Which one? You're not gonna see it.
I know, but I'll know it's there.
Bruh.
They're heavy.
Now, while I cleaned up some of the bolts, Diego was working on assembling the right side, which we had previously disassembled. What you're about to see is either gonna make you cringe or laugh or just feel sad.
It's so painful to watch.
Why?
Brand new parts.
That's right, pads marketed and advertised to fit in my Genesis Coupe very much did not fit. So to the grinder it went for some massaging. After painfully massaging those pads into place, it was then time to bleed the brakes. Then we had one last thing to do before we were done for the day, but you already know we couldn't leave you guys with just those shots.
And you wanted these things?
Hold on, it's just the break-in coating. They're supposed to get quieter after.
We'll see. They do.
And with that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. These are so much fun to make, and we hope to make tons more for you guys. So get subscribed, leave a like, and leave a comment. Tell us what you guys want to see. What should we do to our Jennies? What's going to make the most power? What's the most efficient thing? Hit us up with some suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. I'd also love to add that I've been driving the car for about a week and change now with the new brakes, and they feel phenomenal. From the pedal feel to the braking power to the squeak, it's so much better. I'll let you guys know when I go to clean the car about the brake test and anything else. Cheers, guys.